Alrighty, was good. So it's August 8th, Friday, and we're up today. Don't mind this number right here. That was on the sim. I was just kind of taking a test trade. I was taking a trade. I was bored. Shoot me. I don't care. Alright, so yeah, one trade today on the eval, and we're up. And so actually today, or not today, this week has been kind of slow. Monday was Labor Day. And then Tuesday, there was just like no volume on Tuesday. Like literally nothing happened on Tuesday. Wednesday, I think it was just literally just like a downtrend all Wednesday. Thursday was like a little something happened on Thursday, but no trades this week except today. I only took one today, so that was my only trade this week. And so I'll pull up SPY and I'll pull up the video later. So yeah, little action today, but I'll show you where I took the trade. So there was just this big drop, and kind of I bought in on the pullback. So right when I touched the EMA, I bought in right here. And let me pull up the video. So yeah, here's that big drop, kind of consolidated for a while. So I was waiting for that pullback. It almost happened right here, but it didn't exactly touch the EMA. So I like to get in right on the EMA, or as near as I can, because I like to have my stop at 2 points. So like 2 points above the EMA, that's what I like to where I have it. Because sometimes like it just takes me out. So I like to get as close as I can. So I mean, it was right there. Like, it kind of touched it. I mean, it didn't really touch it, but it was kind of just sitting right below the EMA. So you see, the EMA is a yellow line, so it's at 44.60. I think that says, like, it's either 21 or 31. So I was waiting till it hit, like, 44.60.25. I was waiting till it hit that level, but it was kind of just stuck at 44.59.75 and 44.60. So I was like, okay, it's kind of just sitting here. I was going to wait for the candle to close, but I mean, the time was getting right there. It was like 8 seconds left. So I just got in. So I got in at 44.59.75. So a little below what I would have liked to have it at, but that's okay because it was just sitting there. So it didn't look like it was going to come up, and it didn't. I got in and it just kind of like almost immediately went down like a point and a half. But honestly, I bought in. So this was the beginning of chop. I bought in like halfway through the chop. I thought like, I was like, okay, it's gonna chop for a minute and then I can get in and then it can move one direction or another. But I just bought into the middle of chop. And so, cause I mean, I started this video, like this recording, like as soon as I thought I was gonna be in the trade. This whole video is like 45 minutes long. So I bought in. It was just straight chop. So like it came up right here, and I was starting to get a little nervous, but then just came down right here. So I was like, okay, maybe like we can finally break out of this consolidation, because it broke this low, just made a new low, and then literally just came back up to make me break even again. And then it never really made a new high, so that's what made me want to stay in the trade. And it didn't go too far above the EMA. So honestly, it was just chopping, and I was gonna wait to see, because once we broke back down, I was gonna wait to see if we can make a new low. And so we pushed down a little bit, and then once I saw a green candle, I was like, okay, like we didn't see a new low. Let me close half my position, just because I've been in this trade already for like 20 minutes, and I like to scalp. I like to be in and out decently quick. I'm not looking for like a 30-second trade, but just nothing really over 20 minutes. I'm not really looking like that. I'm looking for like 5 to 10 minute trade, ideally. So yeah, I just closed out my position, like half my position, just because it was choppy so much. So 2 out of the 4 of my contracts got like, I think it was either 2.25 points or 2.5 points on those 2 contracts. And then it actually made kind of a new low, I guess. But then not really. Just went like a tick below it. So it kind of just bounced off that level right here. So I guess it really didn't make a new low, which made me want to close my 3rd contract. So I think I got 3. I was trying to get 3.5 points on it, but I got 3.25 points, so no biggie. And then yeah, I mean, it was just more chop. It didn't make a new low, so that's why I closed the 3rd contract out. Cause it was just kind of like some support at this level right here. So you can see like on Bookmap right here, there's a lot of like liquidity right here. So that's why I'm out 75% of my position. And so,
like the fuck.
and so I have 1 contract left. That's kind of like a runner. And this blue level you see right here, that's kind of the low a day. I have it on SPY as well on fucking TradingView. So yeah, this white level, it was up here earlier. So this is like the low of the day, low of day, like during the market. And so yeah, I had that marked on NinjaTrader as well. I just had it marked just in case. Like I might have taken some profit there, but it didn't happen. So it actually ended up pushing down lower and broke through the liquidity. Now I would have got my 6 points originally if I would have held, but I didn't hold on my contracts. And so this was a runner, so I was seeing how many points I can get. But we made a nice push down, and I was gonna wait till we saw a green candle because I actually didn't want to be in this trade anymore because I was in this trade for like 30 minutes now. So we were kind of just holding at this level right here. You see this liquidity. We were just kind of holding there for a little bit. And I don't know, we were just holding there, so I didn't have a good feeling that we were going to go down anymore. So that's when I sold. If it's going to come up. Yeah, I just didn't like how I was holding there, so I closed. So I ended up up $66. And I mean, let's see where, because I don't even know how it looks like right now. So I actually closed at a good time. So yeah, I closed my position right here and immediately came back up. So I'm actually glad I closed that right there. It's actually a good sign, or it's just like a good place to close out. Didn't really go farther down. So I closed at a good time. And yeah, this week was kind of shit, not gonna lie. But I mean, each week varies, so hopefully I see more setups next week. But yeah, 1 trade today, up 66, back break even with the account. So like, what the fuck? Like, I want to see if I can bring up my. I don't think I can. I meant to actually bring this up earlier. Like how my trades been going, because I feel like I've been just. Yeah, I'm not even gonna pull it up. But I've been just like sitting at that break even mark on the account. I've been just sitting at 10K on the account, so my account's literally just standing still. I'm supposed to get to like $1,000. That's the profit target to get funded, and I literally haven't. It's just standing still. So yeah, that's all.